welcome back. So if you didn't see my last video, my Sunday routine, you guys don't know what's going on. I have a German Shepherd and she got a little handsy with me when we were playing and kind of scratched my nose and my upper lip, but that doesn't stop me from putting makeup on to try to cover it, but it's gonna heal. And stay tuned for future videos because I have a cute little Halloween video planned. So with this video, I wanted to show you how I achieved my wing liner. I really kind of buzzed through it in my everyday makeup tutorial, which I'm wearing that same eyeshadow look, same face, just a different lip. You'll see the lip at the end of the video. I do film that, but I didn't include how I did my brows, how I did my face. I just included the eyeliner and me applying my lashes. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, go ahead and continue watching. Hey guys, so I know you just saw in my intro what I'm doing today. I'm basically teaching you how I do my eyeliner. Right now, I'm praying to the gods that this turns out good. And please ignore this on my face. If you saw my video before this, which was my Sunday routine, you heard all about it, because yeah, this was definitely a pain to cover, but it's gone. Almost gone. So, okay, let's just get right into this. I don't use my main mirror. I get a hand mirror. Get yourself a hand mirror so you can get all up close and personal in this, as my video camera is tipping. Okay, let's see if it stays. Alright, so start, get yourself a felt tip liner. This one is just one from Clinique. I normally use the L'Oreal Cat Eye liner, but that dried up and it's no good. So I have this one as a backup that I probably got free from somewhere. But take this and we're going to start lining our eyes. So I'm going to get kind of up close here so you can see what I'm doing. I have my mirror pointed below me. Can't see in that mirror for nothing. There we go. Why are all my mirrors dirty? Because they all sit in my makeup area and get makeup all over it. Let's see. Okay, you're clean. What I like to do is I like to line mine up between here and go straight up. As you can see, I have two different eye shapes. This eye shape is a lot bigger and I have more of a crease than this side. This side kind of sits a little bit lower too, on brow wise, but I'll show you how to do both so that way you can see when you have two different eye shapes how to do your liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. I rest my pinky all over my face, so if you want to do your face makeup last, I do mine first just because I do everything all at once and I wanted to get it done so it's not redundant for you guys. For my eyeshadow look, I just did my everyday eyeshadow and I uploaded that like 2 videos ago, so if you haven't seen that, go watch it. I'll leave it linked down below. But rest your pinky on your face. And it's kind of hard for me to talk through this, so if I don't talk a lot, just you'll see what I'm doing. And just, I go in very short strokes. Oh, don't tell me you're dried up too. No, okay, good. If it ever gets dried up, just kind of like shake it, because all the product has to get down to the tip anyways. I kind of raised my brow up too. That's one fucked up line. Alright, so now that you have your line, I start from about midway through and bring it all the way in. And I close my lid for this so it doesn't get in my crease. And see, now you have a wing. Now you just fill that space in. And as you can see, I'm using the entirety of the pen, not just the tip. Go back through, fix that wing. and make it to that sharp point that I got there. And so for the inner part, I like to make sure that's nice and thin. So I come through on the side, connect, connect. Make sure everything's filled in. There you go. Got your ring liner. And it's not out to my temples. Thank gosh. Okay, so for my other eye, completely cross my hand over and go from there. And again, wrist. You'll pinky somewhere. And where you have a balance point. So from here, I like to look down at an angle because you can see all the wrinkles in this eye. Rest it. Same thing. From that outer corner. Slowly bring it out. That one's really kind of sloppy. Let me adjust you guys so you guys can see a little bit better. There we go. And so it's easier on me. So you get this, just it'll fix itself in the end. And if it, you see I have that like nub there. So I start from the center and bring out a flick. Even if it gets a little bit longer, you can go through and adjust. And you can always clean it up with concealer. I'll show you on this eye how I clean it up with concealer because I'm not getting that anymore long. And I typically do my brown wing liners. You'll see in that my everyday eyeshadow look, I do a brown liner. I like to use my brow pen for that. Alright, so put that up. Whatever brush you use to clean your brows with, take just whatever's left on there and clean up your eyeliner with it too. So you could take that. I just gotta kind of hold my eye taunt. Use you guys as a mirror. Can't do that, so hold my pinky taunt and clean up. I'll be right back after I clean this up. Okay, I'm back. It's cleaned up. You can see they're not twins. They're gonna be sisters. They look very even, to me at least. You're not gonna notice anything unless you honestly point it out. I'm so overexposed right now. There we go. That was just a little too bright. Sorry if I was hurting your guys' eyes with that brightness. But from here is when I like to go in with liner, not liner, technically, yeah, liner, but I tightline my eyes. So I always tightline my eyes. It makes my lashes look thicker and just overall you don't get that gap that way. So take your black liner and tightline your eyes. Let me use you guys as my camera. And yes, I know that's like the most cringiest part of every video. If you watch my videos, I pull my lid all the way up and tightline. So I noticed when I was tightlining though, I had a little bit of a gap here. You can see where it folds itself up. So I'm going to go in and fix that with the liner. And fixed. Okay, so for lashes, I'm just going to take my normal lashes. They are the Look So Natural, Lightweight, Comfortable Lashes from Kiss. These are the in style Shy. So let me go ahead and we'll pop those on. I'm going to just speed through this. Okay, I'm back. I just kind of went over my waves that I did last night in my Sunday routine where I blow dry my hair and just curled my bangs. But most of the time, with this heat down here in California right now, I've been wearing it up in a clip anyways. So this is probably going to go into a clip, especially for class today. Again, I'm going to biology class. So I know I get really dolled up to go to school. I do it for me and I do it for you, so you guys can see how I do things. So for my lip today, I am going to be taking Oak lip liner from MAC. I probably need to sharpen this because it's my loved lip liner. This and Strip Down from MAC are my two favorite lip liners. And then, of course, I said during the fall time I use Spice a lot. But with everything that's going on from my dog, I just want to do something easy. Nothing too bold, because then it's going to bring attention to this. Tip: when you're playing with your German Shepherd, hold their paws down, because she can get a little handsy. What did I just do with my mirror? Well, here's one mirror, my dirty one. Let me just quickly clean this down. I always keep makeup wipes or use makeup wipes on here so I can just wipe things down. But like normal, I'm going to go ahead and line and overline my lips. I'm going to start on the bottom today just because I want to give this a second to breathe. One more second at least. And I point right here and then side here. See, I'm even getting like a cold sore here from this heat. And the fact that I've been sick for like the last 2 weeks. Fill it in. And now I'm going to go in for the top. Let's see how well this goes. So I think while I have these scars, I'm going to do a really cool Halloween look with these. Stay tuned to see what that's going to be. That kind of stings a little, but get over it. Okay, so now that you have lined and filled in your lips, I'm just going to take Thinks It's MAC from MAC. It's their Luster Gloss formula, and apply that. Keep cool tone with cool tone. I can't wait for this to go away, but I can't wait for you guys to see the Halloween look that I have planned for this. Okay. Alright, I'm done. This is my look for today. And I taught you guys how to do wing liner. Like I said, I normally do this with brown wing liner. It's a lot softer. But for this video purposes, I wanted to show you with a black liner what you could do and how you achieve this kind of look. I left the lower lash line blank just so everything can be very much emphasized on my upper lash line. This look makes my blue eyes pop. So imagine this with my brown wing liner. It's going to be even better. But if you've stuck around this long to see how I do my wing liner, thank you. I appreciate you. If you haven't yet, go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit that little bell button so that way you guys are notified of every video that I upload. Also, leave in the comments what you want to see. Like, I don't know. I go off of what, you know, I see on social media that's very popular, usually for my film bases. Also what I'm feeling for that day too. Like today I didn't expect to film because of my situation, but I wanted to show you guys how I did this, and it really, you know, it's just all about the eyes, not my face. My face is in my everyday makeup tutorial that I will link down below if you haven't seen it yet. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.